Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to open Discord on your Xbox. So let's start by opening settings, and we are going to account, then linked social accounts. Now what we have to find here is Discord, so we can link our Discord to Xbox. And as you can see, we have two ways to sign in with our Discord account, but you can choose whatever you prefer. For this one, I'm going to open it on my console. It's gonna open up the website for me, and I have to sign in with my Discord account. Then it's going to lead me to this page. You just have to scroll down and authorize. As you can see, it's connecting me to the Discord, and you just check this box and open. It's gonna open up the settings, so we can see it's linked. Our Discord is linked to our Xbox. So now that we are done linking our Discord with the Xbox, we're going to home, and we're going to press Y or triangle so we can search for this app. It's within the Xbox, so you don't have to download or pay anything for that. You just type down Q and U, and you see this one. You can open it, and you're going to go ahead and sign in with your Discord account, and then boom, you're inside. That's all you have to do. There's not much to it. It's pretty straight and forward method, and it doesn't take long for you to do. If you have any questions or I forgot to mention something in this video, comment them down below, and as usual, drop a like to the video and subscribe to the channel if you have found it helpful.